the fuss?
The fuss is for rare conditions, like the bronchial carcinoma that I had when I was 7.
The fuss is for allergies, many of which can be debilitating and some even life-threatening.
Sadly, 42 babies are born with a heart defect every week in Australia, and 4 precious lives are lost to congenital heart disease.
The fuss is that without government investment, people like our daughter Georgia will have to endure painful treatments for their cancers because research costs money.
We need this investment to find better treatments and cures for all childhood illnesses.
So the fuss is for all of us.
People like me.
The Medical Research Future Fund will lead to more amazing discoveries for people who desperately need them, generate huge financial returns for Australia and help create the jobs of the future.
And that is worth all the fuss.